Hey guys, this is Luis once again doing some of this work on this 79 Ford F-150. As you guys can see, I did some changes on this truck. So I replaced the springs. It's a 6-inch lift with the skyjacker struts. I also installed these right now. So the ones that I used to have is these ones here, and the bearings were completely out. This is the old bearings right here. So little by little I'm trying to make some changes. I'm gonna put some new brake pads. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. So this truck was lowered before, so what I did, I lifted the truck 6 inches from where it used to be before. So I'm just trying to get it ready so I can install some nice wheels. I get some 22s. That's what's on mind. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know. But everything's coming nice and smooth. On the inside, I know the last video I did, I didn't have the this trim right here, so I purchased this brand new, and I also installed and wired the oil pressure, but it's digital, same thing as a battery meter. My double din with GPS, Bluetooth and everything. My light. And here it is. Little by little, working on this beauty. There's the old springs. That's the tires that it has now, which I guess I'm gonna keep for now, but it's coming up smoothly little by little. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions, give me a call, or not give me a call, but send me a text or comment on this section. I'm gonna finish up before it gets dark. Alright guys, thank you. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, please. Thank you.